Hello, Mark here, and the theme of today's lecture is Defense Annihilation. This is a very common tactical maneuver and is encountered in open positions quite regularly. As a general rule of thumb, white and black will attack each other at the same time. However, instead of just exchanging pieces, a player may gain a material advantage by finding the correct tactical maneuver. This maneuver is also used to fork or mate your opponent's king. In this lecture, I will demonstrate the motif of destroying the defense on a chessboard, as well as show you how to see the right move in similar situations. Just remember, the nature of the position dictates the possible tactical strikes. So let's jump in and start with the basics. In this chess puzzle, the goal is to gain a material advantage over your opponent. White to move. If you wish, you can pause this video and try find the winning move. Keep in mind that the motive of this lecture is defense annihilation. Okay, so the correct answer would be rook takes on e5. Then black would respond rook takes on e5, knight to f7 check, forking the king and the queen, also known as the royal fork. Should black recapture on e5 with the pawn, this still doesn't help. Black could of course move the queen away, but then they just lose the knight for free. And you know what they say, a chocolate is twice as sweet if it's for free. Did you find the winning move? If not, don't worry. I'll explain how you could have come up with this move. So, how to see this move? Let's start from the end. The first move to notice is of course the possible fork on f7. However, f7 is controlled by the black knight on e5. Two options come to mind: chase the defense away or destroy it. In this case, it is possible to take the knight with our rook, and should black to decide to recapture, we are more than happy to sacrifice the rook for Her Majesty the Queen. In this section, there are two more puzzles on the topic of defense annihilation, and I'll show you how to solve them as well as how to come up with the winning move. What is interesting about this position is that black also have a winning move. For example, if white is not careful and plays a move like rook to c1, capturing the open file, then black would continue queen takes on g5, and after queen takes on g5, knight goes to f3 check, forking the king and the queen. As a result, black is a knight up. How to find this move? The same logic must be applied. Black has to first see that knight on f3 forks the king and queen and rook, also known as the family fork. So, the end goal of black's next maneuver should be to put their knight on f3 for the royal fork. The only defender of f3 is the white knight on g5, so he needs to be destroyed. If black queen takes on g5, and then white queen takes on g5, then knight can go on f3 check. As a result, black is a knight up. Rook c1 seems like a pretty logical move. However, this allows black to gain the initiative. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day, and just remember, practice makes perfect.